Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is Picatinny Arsenal hosts Kinetic UAS Counter-Unmanned Aircraft Systems Industry Day to advance counter-drone technologies for U.S. forces. More than 150 government and industry representatives gathered at Picatinny Arsenal on April 28 for the Kinetic Counter-Unmanned Aircraft Systems (CUAS) Industry Day, aimed at strengthening partnerships and accelerating the development of drone defeat technologies for U.S. warfighters. The event focused on Kinetic UAS counter-unmanned aircraft systems designed to detect, track and physically destroy hostile drones, in contrast to non-kinetic systems that use electronic jamming or redirection. Officials from the U.S. Army Armaments Center said the summit was intended to align government capabilities with innovations developed by industry partners. The center is seeking to expand cooperation with companies working on next-generation counter-drone technologies to maintain what it described as a technological advantage on the battlefield. "We want to align the capabilities of our U.S. government organizations with innovation and technology found in industry," said Tony Pezzano, Senior Scientific Technical Manager for Weapons and Software Engineering. "Defeating this threat requires a unified effort, and the partnerships we forge or strengthen today will directly impact the warfighters' survivability and lethality tomorrow." During opening remarks, Armaments Center Director Chris Grassano said the threat posed by drones has expanded rapidly and is no longer considered an emerging issue. He said effective Kinetic UAS counter-unmanned aircraft systems solutions must combine operational effectiveness, affordability, and the ability to move quickly from development to battlefield deployment. Grassano also highlighted Picatinny Arsenal's engineering expertise and specialized laboratory capabilities, which industry partners can use in support of development efforts. The Armaments Center said it is prioritizing battlefield dominance to ensure that U.S. soldiers do not face what officials described as a fair fight. Pezzano and CUAS counter-unmanned aircraft system thrust area manager David Goldstein later held discussions with industry representatives to identify potential partners capable of delivering efficient and cost-effective counter-drone systems. Officials said the effort is focused on advancing the next generation of Kinetic UAS counter-unmanned aircraft system technologies. Every base, vehicle, and warfighter needs a kinetic last line of defense that can keep pace with the evolving UAS unmanned aircraft system technologies. "It's difficult to armor a drone, so hard-kill solutions will always be needed," Goldstein said. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @ Electronics Technology 50.